Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my Young Living box is whack yo, just kidding. What's in my monthly wellness box? This is the January edition. This is for December. Oops. Yeah, these boxes have been sitting on my table waiting for me to do this video so I can put them away. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I have a couple of things to share with you, a couple of new items and mainly some good old-fashioned favorites, such as these wipes. Okay, I have a 6-pack of these wipes. These are the Seedlings Wipes from Young Living. They are the only wipe that I love to use on my son. I have in a Crunch used the Water Wipes brand. They are okay. They do not compare to these Seedlings wipes. I love the way they feel. I love the way they smell. They don't have any of the yucky ingredients that a lot of the wipe brands, the conventional wipe brands have. They're very moistening. They do the job. One wipe is very robust and thick, and it'll do the job of in my opinion, 2 normal over-the-counter wipes that you can get from the store. So you do end up saving money because you use less of the wipes, and when you are on Essential Rewards, you get points back. And so when I buy a 6-pack of these, I'm getting 25% back into an account to spend on free items, and I always get a lot of items for free. So while I'm talking about stuff for the kid, so I got wipes. This is something new. He is getting of the age where, so this is for children ages 2 years and above, just FYI. I am using it against the directions, but I am only giving my son half a packet, and it is a probiotic. This is called MightyPro, and basically it's like a pixie stick. And what I'm doing is basically you can empty an entire content into the mouth to dissolve. It's like a pixie stick, or you can put it on cold food or yogurt, applesauce, or other food or beverage, not hot food. You don't want to put it on hot food because you don't want it to do anything to the delicate bacteria that are in this that you want to get into your child's gut. So this is great for 2 years and older. My son is 15 months. I feel comfortable giving him half a packet. I do want him to have a very healthy gut biome. He did, fair warning, the only medication other than some dye-free Motrin that he's been on occasionally for teeth that he has received at birth was, and against what I really wanted, he did get a round of antibiotics in the NICU to kill an infection that was in his lungs. What they thought could have been an infection. And so since he started out his life getting antibiotics which destroy healthy gut bacteria, I want to make sure I'm rebuilding his gut bacteria with MightyPro. So it's basically you open it up, and again, I keep saying it's like a pixie stick. It tastes like a pixie stick. So if you have older kids, you are going to have to hide these from your kids. Hide your kids, hide your wife, because they are going to want to get into these like candy and eat them. So this is a 1-a-day type of thing, and again, I'm using it against the directions on the packet for my son, and I'm only giving him a half a packet a day. So I hope I don't get in trouble for saying that, but that's what I feel comfortable doing. So I love Young Living. I trust their products, and I know that gut health is important even for babies, for young children. So while we're on the topic of gut health, I did get for free a Life9. This is my probiotic of choice. I know a lot of people, and before I was using Young Living, I was using over-the-counter ones that you could get it from the store. I didn't realize that there's definitely something to the quality of your probiotics, how many bacteria diversity is in there, how many like billions of cultures are in there, active cultures, and how they're capsulated, because you want to make sure that they're specifically capsulated so they get all the way down to the gut where they need to go. You don't want them to disappear into, your stomach or whatever. You want them to get all the way down to the gut. So I do trust Life9. I love Life9, and my husband and I each take one of these a day. So I was grateful to be able to redeem points on Life9. As well, I redeemed points on Royal Hawaiian Hydrosol, Sandalwood Hydrosol. Guys, okay, this is it's like water, but it's the water that's from the extraction process of getting the sand. It's basically sandalwood water. So it's the byproduct from our process of extracting sandalwood from the trees. And the sandalwood oil is exquisite and it's wonderful for your face, and we use that, but that is a $105 bottle of oil. This is the water. I want to say, I don't know how much, this is very inexpensive, but it's got those trace minerals, or not minerals, but trace molecules. That's the word I'm looking for. Trace molecules from that tree that go in here. So this smells wonderful. It feels amazing. And what I do is I spray it on my face. And so I use it kind of like as a light moisturizer. Here in the winter, I'm using more of a thicker, heavier moisturizer, but definitely during the summer, I'll mist my face and then I'll rub some frankincense oil on my face, because frankincense is another oil that is beast mode for your skin and for your cellular health. And so this stuff, I love, love, love the hydrosol. So I think my son is trying to get in here. I have him locked out so that I can do this video. Okay, I got some capsules. We are, tis the season, y'all. Tis the season for supporting that health and wellness, which is all year round, really, but definitely now, while there's all sorts of yucky germs floating around. Now, there's germs all year round, but here's the deal. The reason why we're more susceptible to getting sick during cold and flu season is because of the lack of vitamin D. So supplement with a good quality vitamin D. Supplement with your elderberry. Use your thieves essential oil. Use your oregano essential oil. Wash your hands, all of these ways to boost your immune system, and you won't see it being any different from summer or springtime. Okay, so wintertime is not a magical time where more germs thrive. It's just that we get less sunlight, and our immune system's down. We're usually eating more sugar because of the holidays, which #2020, everybody's going to get healthier now. So anyway, more capsules for ingestion of oils. So I know there's some controversy there, and not a lot of people agree that you should be ingesting oils. Well, guess what? Young Living has a line that is certifiably safe for ingestion, and I feel comfortable ingesting oils. I always have. I did during my pregnancy, and I am still nursing my son, and I still ingest the oils, and I love the way they make me feel. I feel like if you are not ingesting your Young Living essential oils, not oils from any other company, you are missing out on a very, very fantastic way of supporting your health and wellness. And that's a vegetable capsule. So it is a vegetable glycerin type of thing. So it is vegetarian. It doesn't have any horse hooves in it or whatever. Okay. Last but not least, our oils. So I got a couple of free ones. I'll go ahead and save those for last to talk about 3 of my staples, 3 oils that we've been going through a lot. Lemon, lavender, peppermint, and I needed to reorder lavender, peppermint, and copaiba. Okay, so lavender we know is the Swiss Army knife of oils, fantastic at supporting your skin, all sorts of different skin supports. Great at supporting your mental health and well-being, helping you to calm your mind and wind down at night. Peppermint has the opposite effect. It's more of a stimulant. It's more of an awakener. It's more of a breathe it in and feel that menthol. I use peppermint all the time on my temples, the back of my head. Sometimes I wake up hot in the middle of the night. Well, peppermint has amazing cooling properties, and so I'll just reach over, grab my peppermint, and rub some on the back of my neck, and the peppermint will actually help cool me down at night. So love, love, love peppermint. This is like my ride or die. Both of these are. And then copaiba is one that doesn't get a whole lot of love or enough attention, I think, but it's a tree resin from South America, and if you guys don't have this in your oily arsenal, you are missing out. Copaiba from the Copaifera tree, very, very high in beta-carophylline, and it's really good at supporting your cellular health, and I like to use it to boost whatever I'm using it with, which is usually lemon, lavender, and peppermint. And then I take the Vitality version in capsules. This is just a boosting oil. It smells wonderful, and a lot of people actually use the Copaiba Vitality on their kids' gums for teething and stuff. So, and then last but not least, a couple of freebies, and I'll let you guys go. Peace and Calming, and Christmas Spirit. So Christmas Spirit, you know, guys, Christmas is long gone. We're in January now, but this is an oil that can be used year round. It smells fantastic. It does have cinnamon bark. It has, I believe, spruce and frankincense in it, or orange, cinnamon bark, and black spruce. So it just smells incredible. It's great in the diffuser, so don't feel like just because Christmas is over you can't use Christmas Spirit. And then Peace and Calming. Yes, everybody, this is a 15 ml of Peace and Calming. This stuff is gold. I use it on the bottom of my son's feet every night at bedtime. He gets oils in his feet. He gets a massage with the Seedlings lotion. We do story time. We put his PJs on. My kid's gonna grow up oily. He's gonna grow up knowing about the power and how to safely use our oil. So definitely on this one, you keep this out of their kids' reach and you apply it with them. And your kids, when they get older, they'll start asking you and advocating for their own use. Hey, mommy, I'm feeling out, you know, I need some Peace and Calming or whatever. I need my oil, they may call it. And so you can use this on older kids, yourself, your pets. It's a great, great peace and calm. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have additional questions about any of the products I talked about or anything that I didn't talk about, feel free to reach out. I loved educating about this stuff. If you want to get your hands on some oils and you don't have an account, I would love to support you in that and be your oily mentor. Just reach out to me and I will send you my number and help you get signed up for a starter kit. That's it. Doesn't require anything after that, except for just one order a year, or you can purchase monthly like I do and save and get all sorts of free stuff. So with Essential Rewards, which I also highly recommend doing that. So thank y'all for watching. Have a fantastic afternoon and stay tuned for my next video.